guess where we are today? We can't wait to tell you about the next opportunity for our Junior to Giant program. Follow me, let's go check it out.
Today is an exciting day as our interns have been given an opportunity to interview for an internship here at the Test Kitchen Fledglings restaurant in Cape Town, owned by world-renowned restaurateurs Luke and Sandalene Dale-Roberts.
Follow us inside to the training ground of the world's next best chefs. Let's go.
Hi, I'm Luke Dale-Roberts.
Sandalene Dale-Roberts.
And we are the partners and owners of the Test Kitchen, the Potluck Club, and most recently the Test Kitchen Fledglings. Right, we're sitting here in Test Kitchen Fledglings, and Sandalene, my wife, is going to tell you a little bit about what Test Kitchen Fledglings actually is.
So Luke and I have been involved in restaurants for quite a long time, 11 years, and we decided, and well, been thinking about it for a long time, but it's time to give back. So we started the Test Kitchen Fledglings, which has mentors and trainees. So we take people literally off the street, i.e. no experience, and they get paid a full salary from the first day they start working here, and they learn from that first day, from mentors, everything to know about the culinary world.
So essentially, Test Kitchen Fledglings is a school, but it's also a restaurant. It bridges the gap between the real world and education.
So what we're doing here today is interviewing some of the students from Generation Schools and seeing which two we can choose to come and intern with us.
The internship involves 3 months of on-the-job training, which is combined between kitchen and front of house, and the interns will be immersed within that environment for the duration of their time here. And after the 3 months, the candidate will get the opportunity to immerse themselves in the culinary world.
Let's start interviewing. I'm so excited.
Let's do it.
Today, our juniors were certainly surrounded by giants. What an awesome opportunity to watch them go through this process. To the interns that got through to the internship, we wish you all of the best. Follow us for more exciting programs on our Junior to Giant journey.